All right, let's talk about upgrading yourself. In this explainer, we're going to dive into some of the core ideas from the Biohacker's Handbook and look at a systematic way to improve your health, your focus, basically your entire life. So, to kick things off, let me tell you about someone who might feel a little familiar. This is John. It's another late rainy night and he's just trying to power through, get some work done. His eyes are heavy, but he keeps pushing. Then the next morning, bam, the alarm goes off, and his brain is just a complete fog. So, does any of that hit close to home? That feeling of being totally drained, stressed out, and just not quite firing on all cylinders? Yeah, for a lot of us, John's struggle is our daily reality. And here's the thing. This isn't some personal failing. It's what we could call the modern human's dilemma. Our biology, which is basically wired for a world of sunlight and movement, is in a constant clash with the 21st century's digital noise, chronic stress, and all these weird environmental signals. So what do we do about this mismatch? How do we fix it? Well, that's where we get to the heart of this whole thing, the biohacker's way. It's all about taking back control by systematically improving the inputs we give our bodies. Now, I know the word biohacking might sound a little intense, right? Like you need to become a cyborg or something, but it's not that at all. It's really just about seeing your body as this incredible, complex system, a system you can actually understand and optimize by being mindful of what you expose it to. Think of it like you're becoming the CEO of your own health, making smart, strategic decisions to boost performance. And this slide really nails the core philosophy. It's not about chasing fads. It's about adopting smart principles. For instance, instead of falling for some marketing gimmick like low fat, you focus on how nutritionally dense your food actually is. The key here is building a mental framework so you can think critically about all your choices. Okay, so where do we even begin? Let's start with the absolute foundation of well-being, sleep. Seriously, if you get this right, everything else becomes so much easier. But if you get it wrong, you're just constantly fighting an uphill battle. As you can see from this chart, sleep isn't just one long state of being unconscious. It's this dynamic cycle. We move through all these different stages, from light sleep to deep sleep, which is vital for repairing your body, and then into REM sleep. That yellow slice, the REM stage, that's where your brain is hard at work, consolidating memories and processing everything you learned that day. So if you skimp on sleep, you're literally skimping on your memory. So what are some high-impact things you can do tonight to sleep better? Let's look at a few. First, make your room a cave. I mean, pitch black. Even that tiny little LED light from your phone charger can disrupt melatonin, the hormone that signals it's sleepy time. Second, cool your room down. Our bodies are literally designed to sleep in cooler temperatures. These are such simple changes, but they have powerful results. Okay, building on that solid foundation of good sleep, let's talk nutrition. What you eat isn't just fuel, it's information that tells your body and your genes how to operate. And just to show you how deep this goes, here's a wild fact. 50 to 60% of the cells in your body aren't actually human. Nope, they belong to the trillions of microorganisms that make up your microbiome, and they play a massive role in everything from digestion to your immune system. And what you eat directly feeds them, for better or for worse. So how do we put that quality over quantity principle into action? Let's use dairy as an example. Instead of grabbing highly processed or sugary products, a biohacker would favor things like fermented kefir, which is full of amazing probiotics for your gut, or butter from grass-fed cows, which is rich in healthy fats. You see, it's about what the food is and what it does for you, way more than just the calorie count. So, we've talked about sleep and we've talked about nutrition, but what if I told you that the most powerful hack of them all isn't a specific action? It's a fundamental shift in how you see all of your daily choices. This, right here, this is the real takeaway. Every meal you eat, every hour you sleep, every workout you do, these are not isolated events. They are direct signals being sent straight to your DNA, telling your genes to either turn on or turn off. The science behind all this is called epigenetics, and what it shows us is that while we can't change our genetic code itself, we have incredible power to influence our genetic expression. This is profound. It means you are not just a victim of your genes, you are in a constant dialogue with them. And that brings us to the ultimate takeaway here. This is not about achieving some impossible standard of perfection. Not at all. It's about becoming a curious scientist of your own body,
adopting a systematic, personalized approach to figure out what truly works for you.
So I'll just leave you with this question to chew on. Your daily choices are the tools, and your biology is the material. If you can truly upgrade yourself, one small, systematic step at a time, what will you become?